Mary got a job with a starting salary of rupees 15,000 per month. She will get an incentive of rupees 100 per month. What will be her salary after 20 months? Now see, Mary's salary increases by rupees 100 per month. That means the successive salaries are in AP, right? So we have starting salary, that means first term will become 15,000 and the monthly incentive, that is D, is equals to 100. What will be her salary after 20 months? That means N is 20. So number of the months is 20. So see student, you have to calculate salary after 20 months, that is T of 20. So you can use formula Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So T20 is equals to A plus, see student, N is equals to 20, 20 minus 1 into D. Now A is the starting salary, that is first term 15,000 and D is 100. So we can substitute these values. T20 is equals to 15,000 plus 19 into 100. 19 into 100 is 1900. So 15,000 plus 1900 will become 15,000 plus 1900. That will become 16,900. So we have T20, that means salary after 20 months 16,900. So see student, we can write the answer. Mary's salary after 20 months is rupees 16,900. See, her starting salary, that means A is given 15,000 and salary increases by rupees 100 every month. That means D is equals to 100. And you have to calculate salary after 20 months. That is T of 20. So we have to use formula Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1. Taxi fare is rupees 14 for the first kilometer and rupees 2 for each additional kilometer. What will be for the 10 kilometers? See, the taxi fare increases by rupees 2 every kilometer. That means the successive taxi fare is an AP. Now the taxi fare for the first kilometer A, that is first term A is 14. Increase in the taxi fare after every kilometer is rupees 2. That means D is equals to 2. And we have to calculate after 10 kilometers. That means number of kilometers covered by taxi is N, that is equals to 10. So to find the taxi fare for the 10 kilometers, you have to find T of 10. So we can use formula T of N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is 10, we can substitute N 10. T of 10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So A is 14 and D is equals to 2. So we can substitute the value. T10 is equals to 14 plus 9 into 2. 9 into 2 is 18. 14 plus 18 is equals to 32. That means taxi fare for next 10 kilometers is rupees 32. See student, again we have starting fare for first kilometer is rupees 14 and it increases by 2 kilometer by rupees 2 for every kilometer. That means D will become 2 and you have to calculate taxi fare for 10 kilometers, that means T of 10. So we can use formula T of N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into. Mangala started doing physical exercise 10 minutes for the first day. She will increase the time of exercise by 5 minutes per day till she reaches 45 minutes. How many days are required to reach the 45 minutes? The workout time by Mangala increases by 5 minutes every day. That means the successive workout time is our AP. Now see, she started exercise for first day by doing 10 minutes. That means workout time for the first day will become A, that is equals to 10 minutes. And it increases workout time by 5 minutes every day. That means D will become 5 minutes. Number of days required to reach workout time 45 minutes. Let's consider these days as n. That means T of n is equals to 45. So we have A 10, D 5 and T of n is equals to 45. So we can calculate by using formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. See, we have to calculate number of days, that is n. So we can substitute A is equals to 10, D is equals to 5 and T of n is equals to 45. So 45 is equals to 10 plus n minus 1 into 5. So 45 is equals to 10 plus 5n minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 45 is equals to 5 plus 5n. So 45 minus 5 will become 40. So n is equals to 40 upon 5, that is n is equals to 8. That means 8 days are required to reach workout time 45 minutes. See, she require 8 days to reach out workout time of 45 minutes. See, she started with 10 minutes. Every day she increases 5 minutes. And you have to calculate number of the days still she reaches 45 minutes. That means we have to calculate n. So we can use formula T of n is equals to A plus n minus 1. Neela saves in a Mahila Bachat Gat ₹2 on the first day, ₹4 on the second day, ₹6 on the third day and so on. What will be her saving in the month of February 2010? The saving done by Neela on each day is 2, 4, 6. That means these everyday savings are in AP. Now what will be her saving in month of February 2010? See, her saving is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. So we can write first day her saving is 2 rupees. That means A is equals to 2. And difference in the saving in 2 successive days is 2. That means D is equals to 2. And total number of days in February is 28. So n is equals to 28. You have to calculate total savings. See student, to find the total saving, that means you have to calculate Sn, and n is equals to 28, that is S28. So we can use formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute n is equals to 28. S28 is equals to 28 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 28 minus 1 into d. So 28 minus 1 will become 27, and we have a is equals to 2 and d is also equals to 2. So S28 is equals to 28 upon 2, that is equals to 2 into 2 plus 28 minus 1 into 2. So 2 into 2 will become 4, 28 minus 1, 27. So 27 into 2 is 54 and 54 plus 4, 58. So S28 will become 14 into 58, that is 812, 812. So Neela saved rupees 812 in the month of February. See student, she started with rupees 2 and every day she increases it by 2 rupees, and you have to calculate total saving for the month of February. That means n will become 28. Total saving, that means you have to calculate S of 28. So we are going to use formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Babu Bhai borrows rupees 4,000 and agrees to repay with total interest of rupees 500 in 10 installment, each installment being less than preceding one, by rupees 10. What should be the first and the last installment? The total money repaid by the Babu Bhai is in 10 installment. That means n is equals to 10. Now S10 will become, see, total amount repaid will become 4,000 plus 500, that is rupees 4,500, right? Now see student, number of installments n will become 10, it is given, and see the difference between two consecutive installment is minus 10. See, every time he is going to pay 10 rupees less than preceding one, that means it difference will become minus 10. Now see, we have to calculate first and last installment. So first installment will become A and last installment will become 10th installment. So by formula we have Sn n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10, n is 10. So 10 upon 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So we can substitute the value. S10 is 4,500, 10 upon 2 is 5. So 2a plus 9d, but d is minus 10. So 9 into minus 10 will become minus 90. See student, 4,500 divided by 5. You will get 900 is equals to 2a minus 90. So 900 plus 90 is equals to 2a. 2a is equals to 990. So a is equals to 990 upon 2, 495. That means you have first installment 495. You have to find out last installment, that is t of 10. So you can use formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T10 is equals to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So 10 minus 1 is 9, and see student, we have first installment 495 and d is minus 10. So substitute the value. T10 is equals to 495 plus 9 into minus 10. 9 into minus 10 minus 90. So T10 is equals to 495 minus 90, that is equals to 405. So the last installment will be 405. First installment rupees 495 and the last installment is 405. See student, you have to remember difference is minus 10 here because he is paying 10 rupees less for each installment.